Plie you tak siam se you promise bung ai ba me pai.
Ta me mot ban ong ba bro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka East Khasi Hills District Basketball Association ringkat ke Jungai Lang bat ke Migilai Basketball Association Klapen Long ika second state junior in the district basketball championship Harat Laban College Shillong hagash photuk leber arhajar arpun riu hagan ke skila pliru ika madanya lekai basketball Harat Laban College tu menteri ke Sarkar Jelau ba Sanbor Shulai ublalong kumukongsan harangkat ke Jinan Lang jong ke MLA jong ke East Shillong constituency ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo ke belong ke President jong ke East Khasi Hills District Basketball Association ke belong kum ke sembut kongsan hakani ke sengi Secretary jong ke governing body ke Rakyat Laban College ba Rishan Renja urang mak shnong kemanan Laban ubah Aisun bar kinong penyat haga jinga lekai ke Beningkong ke East Khasi Hills A ke lekun Persha ke East Khasi Hills B hakani ke sengi
The Meghalaya Basketball Association, which for the first time visited the college on the basis of a request, a small request from the college for some help. This was in the month of October last year, this is March. So just in the matter of 6-7 months, they extended their help and guidance, after which the State Sports Council got into the picture. They came, they conceived, and then they completed this project. A special thanks to them. And last of all, I'd like to thank the Dorbar Shnang again, because this tournament, the lead time was very less. We approached them at the last moment. The wholehearted support which they have extended by us, Bano, Singh Samla, etc. I'd like to give them a special thanks too. Thank you very much.
Only one thing I want to share with you that students, education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. And coming to the role of the teachers is like a candle, it consumes itself to light the way for others. That's all I have for you today. I will read this speech prepared by my office. And I will apologize. Maybe I cannot remain till the end of the program because it's a working day. I have to attend my office. So with these few words, I wish all the participating teams, all the best. And I forgot to pay my special thanks to my colleague, Dilip Guru, who happened to be the secretary of the Meghalaya Volleyball Association, and I am his president.
Today marks a very important day for basketball in the state of Meghalaya because for a long time now, basketball has been going through very difficult times, and I must thank all the coaches and the members of both the MBA and the District Basketball Association for putting in all your effort to bring these young players to such tournaments. We welcome the players from Garo Hills, welcome the players from Reboy. We are a small championship here, but believe me, young boys and girls, you will be going places and you will be experiencing the various assistance being given by the government of Meghalaya to inculcate and to promote sports amongst young people. I hope that this tournament will leave behind pleasant memories and will leave behind a generation of players who are truly, truly trained, coached, and will excel in not just the state, but also perform well at the national level and at different levels of sporting activity. Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you, Sir Sanbor, for being here. We are grateful to this institution. The students have very good hostel facilities. This is a rare privilege. This is the most difficult challenge of most of the organizations running these kinds of tournaments. And we are very, very grateful that these premises have been instituted, because truly sports without the necessary infrastructure will never be a dream come true. Kublai Shibon, Mithila, Jai Hind.
Tournament today open.
Good, yes.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.